So, if you thought Philadelphia was the name of a Greek DJ and kefir was just for gym shakes after leg day, welcome to the real world where even a pie can push your endurance to the limit. Hey there! We are going deep today, like breaking down a track beat by beat or analyzing gameplay frame by frame. I'm gonna show you a dessert that blends essence, grandma's life hacks, and a bit of culinary philosophy, all baked to an electronic beat and a high oven temp. Let's go! Ingredients, like curating your own set list. For the base, Philadelphia 6-8 sheets, butter 50-70 grams melted. For the filling, eggs 2, sugar 120 grams, vanilla sugar 10 grams, kefir 250 milliliters, vegetable oil 3 tablespoons, flour 250 grams, baking powder 10 grams, berries as much as you want, more berries, juicier rhythm. Workout begins. Base setup. Each filler sheet is like a gym day. Skip it and you lose structure. Brush with melted butter layer by layer. Leave a bit of a crust edge. We want it holding shape like a good posture. Mix the filling. Whisk the eggs, sugar, vanilla and salt. Light and fluffy like a warm-up. And kefir and oil. Stir it all in. Then flour plus baking powder, a smooth pureable butter. Berries go in last, gently, like the drop in the track. You don't wanna mess up. By the way, did you know kefir was already a thing back in the 9th century? Warriors drank it before battles, like a natural energy drink. No towering, just probiotics. So what's more important in dessert for you, structure or surprise? Because this pie starts like a sweet hotel breakfast, then bam, berry hits and you're in flavor turbulence at 30,000 feet. Assembly. Pour the creamy mix over the filler, fold in the edges, and if you want, brush with butter for the perfect golden crust. Oven time 180 degrees for 35–40 minutes. While it bakes, you can post a story with a pull, Philadelphia or short crust, binge alpaca videos from a petting zoo, or do few crunches. I mean, we are waiting anyway. Let the pie cool, dust it with sugar, scoop on some ice cream, make yourself a mini dessert ceremony. Wanna go creamier next time? Add a spoonful of cottage cheese or sour cream to the filling. If you don't try this pie, your oven's gonna feel neglected. So turn it on, follow the steps and play my voice in the background. I'll be here when the berries start to bubble. And don't forget to follow this page, so we can keep mixing everything like beats, with meaning, with joy and a little madness. I'm off to hunt down the next delicious theory. You grab a spoon, press play and design your evening like a DJ set. Sweet, a little spice-themed and baked at 180 degrees. See you soon!